Let us come on to the practice book. We are now dealing with worksheet 8. Now in worksheet 8, a report has been given to you and you are supposed to fill it up in the next page, that is given in page 61. Okay. Now in page 61, you are supposed to fill it up, the report writing. Now Peter was, it will be in Australia. Now he was 25 years old. His mother was a doctor. Okay. Now next, he had 2 brothers. Okay. Next one, it will be he had 2 brothers. Now after that, he moved. It will be moved. He moved to Washington. Okay. It will be he moved to Washington at the age of 12. Now he studied in the University of California. Okay, he studied in the University of California. Got it? Next one, he did not finish. Okay, he did not finish studies. His last job was in bank. Okay, his last job was in bank. And the last line, he worked, worked. He worked as a spy for 2 years. So this exercise is over. I have explained you how to put the question tag today. All of you must be knowing how to put the question tag. Now your homework will be to complete worksheet 6. Okay. You are supposed to complete worksheet 6, the question tags, and in the next class we will be discussing the homework as well as next proceeding with the classwork. I hope all of you must have understood the question tag, how you will put. Like for example, again I am telling you, Kanu has invited her friends. Now we are supposed to locate the helping verb, that is has is over here. Okay, so has, you are supposed to write it down, and then since this sentence is positive, Kanu has invited her friends is positive, you will use negative, that is not over here, and the subject, that is Kanu, so it will be she over here. Okay, so what will be? Hasn't she. Got it, everybody? Now next one, Prateek does not like to miss his school. Okay, now over here what is the helping verb? Helping verb is does over here. Okay, and since does is along with not, so you will not write it down over here, only it will be does and the subject, that is Prateek, that is he. Okay, so the answer will be does he. So this way you are supposed to complete this worksheet. It will be for your homework. Okay. Next class we will be discussing the homework as well as the last remaining part of the chapter. Till then, goodbye. So now come on to worksheet 10. The first one has been done for you. Second one, Pratik does not like to miss his school. So since it is a negative sentence, so there will be a positive question tag. Okay, affirmative question tag, that is. So does and the subject, that is he. So does he. Okay. Now third one, Yamini was not angry with you. Now again this is a negative sentence, so there will be a positive question tag. So was, and what is the subject? Yamini. So was she. Okay. Now fourth one, you enjoyed watching films. There is nothing such helping verb, so we will use do. Okay, since it is the plural form, so we will be using do. So what it will be, since this is an affirmative sentence, it will be a negative question tag. So don't you. Okay. Now the fifth one, the trucks have not crossed the river yet. Now what is the helping verb? Have. Okay, so it will be have, and since this is a negative, there will be no negative, and trucks means they, so have they. Okay. Now sixth one, you aren't enjoying this. Again it is a negative sentence, so it will be are, and what it will be? Are you. Okay. Now seventh one, he is going abroad. So is there, is a positive sentence, so question tag will be negative, isn't, and then he, isn't he. Okay. Now eighth one, they are preparing a project. So positive sentence, so it will be aren't, and then question tag it will be they, so aren't they. Okay. Now ninth one, he was late by 10 hours. Positive sentence, so it will be wasn't. Okay, so wasn't, and then he. Got it? We were not happy with his work. Were not is there, so it will be a positive one. Were, and then we. Okay, so all of you got this one? Question tag. Now let us come on to the do it yourself. Okay. In do it yourself, you have to change the plural form and make any other changes if you are supposed to be required over there. Okay. So first one has been done for you. A planet revolves around the sun. So a planet, we will write planets, then it will be a plural one. So planets revolve around the sun. Okay. Now come on to the B. Now come on to the second question, B part. A fish breathes through gills. So you will write the plural form, that is fishes. Fishes, it will be breathe. Fishes breathe through gills. Okay. Now the third one. This boy goes to the library every week. It is this boy, so it will be these, these, these boys. Then it will be what? Now second one was this boys, so it will be these, these, these boys go to school, go to the library every week. Now the third one, the maid cleans the floor daily. So it will be the maids, M-A-I-D-S. The maids, so it will be clean, C-L-E-A-N. The maids clean the floor daily. Okay. Now fifth one is that dog barks at strangers. So that will be changed into those. Those and singularities, so it will be dogs. So those dogs bark, B-A-R-K, bark at strangers. Okay. Then come on to the F, that is fifth one. A girl is skipping with a rope. So a girl, it will be girls now. Okay. You can write down the girls. It will be are skipping with a rope. The girls are skipping with a rope. Now G is she laughs loudly. Okay. So it will be in the plural form. They, it will be laugh. They laugh loudly. Okay. Now H is each one of us was tired after the long walk. We have to use all. So all of us, you will be writing it down. Okay. All of us, was will be changed into were. All of us were tired after the long walk. Now fifth one is, I1 is each of the passengers was carefully checked. Okay. So in the place of each you will write down all. All of the passengers were carefully checked. Okay. Now the last one, that woman is waiting to see you. So those women, M-E-N, those women are, A-R-E, are waiting to see you. Okay. Now let us come on to question number 2. Now in question number 2, you have to write down the appropriate verb from the bracket. First one is hello, I am. It will be Sudha. Yes, it is me. Then again, I am concerned about my son Vaibhav. Then he is fine, I suppose. Okay, SUPPOSE, suppose. Then he is quite well, thank you, but he was glued to his phone. Okay. Don't worry, these days my teenagers are like that. Well, I was not like that. When I was a teenager, it will be didn't spend. Okay, I didn't spend hours on the phone. I worked, WORKED, worked hard and helped, HELPED, helped my parents. Now, I know, KNOW, I know Vaibhav is so lucky to have parents like you and Harish. He will gradually realize. Okay. Now, the last exercise of that chapter is error finding. Okay. Now, you have to underline the error and you have to write down the correct word which is having error. First one is there are a place across the ocean. Okay, it will be in the place of are, it will be is. There is a place across the ocean. Okay. Now second one, where there are sand for miles and miles. So what it will be? Where there is, in the place of are, it will be is. Sand for miles and miles. Okay. Now there people plays music. It will be play music. There people play music. In the place of plays, it will be play. And everybody, it will be smiles. Okay, SMILES, smiles. You doesn't, it is written, it will be don't. You don't need to have any money. And you, it will be don't need, NEED, need. And you don't need clothes. Now next one, there in the place of aren't, it will be isn't much work to do. Okay, there isn't much work to do. Just watch as the ocean rolls. In the place of roll, it will be rolls. Now, there are a lot of time to relax. It will be there is lot of time to relax. I it will be long, L-O-N-G, long. To move to that place where there is no problem. Okay, it will not be problems, it will be problem. And no one is ever bored. Okay, now everyone got it? The full answer from the subject verb agreement. Now you are supposed to complete your work either in your book or in your copy. If you are not having your book, either buy it or download it from the PDF and complete your work. Next class I will be teaching you from the literature book the chapter that is My Experiment with Truth. So everybody will be ready for the next with the literature book. There I will be explaining the chapter. As perhaps today's work is concerned, all of you must have understood the subject verb agreement and will be doing it in their copies or books, completing their work. This is your homework to complete your work carefully, neatly in your book or in your copies. Till then, goodbye.